Okay, I got this little bucket for $5. It already had the ribbon around it. I just took a garland that I already had and just put around the top of it. I stuffed some stuff inside and had the garland around top. I just stuck this flower in here. This one here, I just stuck it in there because I like the color. I did buy 3 of these different leaves. One of them was this rust colored, one was gold, and one was like a copper. And I thought that looked pretty in there. And then I stuck this flower in there and this one deal. All the rest of it was just garland, and I'm going to put just a little bit more in there, and I'm going to put it in the window in my sunroom, and I'm probably going to put the little girl sitting on her little stool. It's so cute. Yeah, so there you go. Okay, so I couldn't find a nice candle ring to go on the candles up on the hutch. So, you know, I have just the white ones, and then I put these berries on there, and it just was too much. It didn't look good on that particular one. So I used some of the ribbon that I used in the bows a lot, and then I put the burlap ribbon around it as well. And then I went up and got some light colored jute, and I wrapped it around several times and tied a bow, and I actually like it a lot. It's, you know, almost rustic contemporary. I'm very into, you know, shabby chic and Victorian, but I really like this. I think you would see this maybe in a Victorian house in the old days. I do. So anyhow, there, I'm going to do the other one just like it. This is the window design in the playroom for the kids. This is one of their toy boxes.